I am Dr. N. Prabha, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce CA, Manar Thirumani Nayakar College. Today we are going to discuss about what is communication and barrier. What is communication? Communication is main part of all the industries, people and society. So communication is the activity of conveying meaningful information. Communication includes two members, one is sender and another one is receiver. It requires a sender, a message, and an intended recipient. Barrier. What is barrier? Barrier is an obstacle. An obstacle in a place that prevents us from completing certain task. So then the communication barrier means the aspect or conditions that interface with the effective exchange of ideas and thoughts. That is communication and barrier. So communication includes two persons, one is sender and another one is a receiver. Communication barriers. Barrier include obstacles. So communication barriers defines aspects or conditions that interface with effective exchange of ideas or thoughts. Types of barriers. Barrier includes so many types. One is physical barrier, cultural barrier, language barrier, emotional barrier, gender barrier, organizational barrier, and perpetual barrier. So these are all the barriers are included in types of barriers. First, we have to discuss physical barrier. What is physical? Physical relate to many disturbance immediate situation, that is physical, so which can interface in the course of effective communication. Some of them are easy to alter, whereas some may prove to those obstacles in the process of effective communication. So physical barrier relate to disturbance in the immediate situation. Factors causing physical barrier: defects in media, distraction in environment, distance, ignorance of medium, physical disability. So many physical barrier causes on physical disability. We can't convey the message without any interruption. So then how to overcome these physical barriers? First, to be updated with the latest technologies. Nowadays the technologies are day and day improved and vast development. So to be updated with latest technologies, then choosing a suitable environment is very important. So choosing a suitable environment, removing obstacles. So obstacles immediately remove, making signs easier to read. Example, you would supplement written signs and pictures and visual signs. So sign is easier to read. So many signs are confused. So your sign is easier to read. Then some using some symbols, pictures, it's very easy to understand. Then self motivation, then motivate ourselves is very important. So these are all the points to overcome the physical barriers. Then next one is cultural barriers. Cultures provide people ways of thinking, way of seeing, hearing and interpreting the world. So culture is very important. Many peoples are followed and cultural ethics. So cultural provides people ways of thinking, ways of seeing, hearing and interpreting the world. Similar words can mean different things to people from different cultures, even when they talk the same language. Yes, so many peoples are in the world, and India, many peoples are in this India. Then they followed their cultures only. So, different things to people from different cultures, even when they talk the same language, that is cultural barrier. Factors causing cultural barrier. First one is diversified cultural background. Yes. Each and every culture should follow their own ethics. So diversified cultural background. Then second one is language and accent. Then third one is behavior and nature. The fourth one is religion. So how to overcome these factors? First, cross-cultural environment. We have to adjust it, and we have to adjust and flexible to other cultures. So cross-cultural environment, have a true knowledge of your counterparts culture background, conduct effective communication workshop, work in groups and run frequent meeting. So these are all the factors to overcome the cultural barriers. Then third one is language barriers. Language is very important. Each and every people, they follow their own mother tongue. So inability to converse in a language that is known by both the sender and receiver is the greatest barrier to effective communication. So language barrier is most important of the barriers of communication. So sender and receiver communicate the same language, it is easy to understand. So inability to converse in a language that is known by both the sender and receiver is the greatest barrier to effective communication. When a person uses inappropriate words while conversing or writing, it could lead to misunderstanding between the sender and the receiver. So cautiously and carefully words are spoken and written in letter format. Also it language barriers. So a person uses inappropriate words while conversing or writing, it could lead to misunderstanding between the sender and the receiver. So the language is clearly, there is no way to the miscommunicate the information. Then factors causing language barriers: multi-language region, inadequate vocabulary, interpreting difference. Yes, multi-language, so the person know the multi-languages. Then region, inadequate vocabulary. For example, we are speaking English, then our English is mostly different from foreigners. So foreign English is differently entirely different from other nation. So multi-language region, inadequate vocabulary, interpreting differences, these are all the factors causing language barriers. How to overcome these barriers? First thing, all of you noted, first thing is speak slowly and clearly. You can speak fastly, the receiver cannot understand your language. So first, speak slowly and clearly. Then second one is ask for clarification. Then third one is frequently checked for understanding. Then fourth one is be specific. Then choose your medium of communication effectively. The last one is be patient. Patient is most important to overcome all the barriers. So language is a very most important barriers. So many people are affected by language barriers. Communication is not understanding by the language. So how to overcome the language barriers? Speak slowly and clearly, ask for clarification, frequently check for understanding, be specific, choose your medium of communication effectively, be patient. Okay, then now we are discussed 3 types of barriers of communications. One is language barriers and cultural barriers and physical barriers. Okay, thank you.